Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a special product from CLCKR. This is a case for iPhone 15. It's made of plastic neutral, made with 100% recycled and recyclable plastic. Drop test for up to 4.8 meters or 16 feet. Camera lens protection, wireless charging, compatible, and I think it does have MagSafe, although it doesn't say in here. We can kind of try. So let's quickly try if it has MagSafe. I do have one of these wallets you can put on the back of the phone, and it does have MagSafe. They should put it down on this because it's important to people. Love this new feature. It's not that new anymore, but still not a lot of people know about MagSafe, to be honest. Yeah. So this is how it looks like on the inside. It's quite strong. That's the MagSafe, and you have covered all the main buttons. That's the power button, volume rocker, and then you have the on and off for mute. So I really like how it looks like inside. It has extra protection on the corners. It looks like it goes around the screen as well. Very strong on the back. You have that logo in there, the G-form protection. It's very tough, and the camera has a little raised edge, so it will protect it. Then you have all the cutouts. That's the USB-C now cutout, and you have the speaker, and that's pretty much it. Really good case. Looking forward to receive the iPhone 15 and use it.